Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to reverse this string you can see here, the hello world string in the Java. So to reverse it, there are two ways, by with the help of using a string reversal, or we can do the character array reversal. So to reverse it as a string, I will first write a for loop. So I will use the snippet here. So I will here take the length of a string. So I will use string dot length, and I will run it until 0. Okay, and I will do it as a minus minus. So now loop will run each time until the length of this string of 0. Okay, and in between I will take another variable for storing the reverse. So string reverse, and I will take it as an empty array. Okay, and here I will write here like reverse, and inside it I will do this use this operator here to put each character into the reverse string as a concatenation. And here I will use string dot char at. So I'm going to find out the character, and I will use here I variable, and actually I minus 1. Okay, because we are using it, I mean running the loop until 0, so it will automatically take it 1 minus. And now I will print it using system dot out, sorry, system dot out dot println, and here I will take the reverse. Okay, so this is the reversed string. I can also write it more clear. Reversed string. Okay, now I will hit the run main.java. So it will execute this class, and you can see here in the console the reversed string is here. Okay, okay, so so now this was related to the string. Now what I will do, I will convert this string first in array, and then I will reverse it. Okay, so to convert into char array, I will first take the char variable as c. Okay, char array as c, and here I will take a string dot to char array function. I will use it. So here it is going to, I mean, use it as a, like, it will basically convert it and put as an array here. So now I will take it here, c dot length. So I will remove this bracket here, and rest will remain same. And one thing also I will change here, instead of str I will use char array here, and I will remove this one. I will use the array symbol here. So this is all what I need to do to reverse a string using the char array. So again I will hit the run button, and you will see output is still same. This is all guys in this video. I hope you learn how you can reverse the string using the manual way in Java. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.